Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
We are going
Thank
to
you, sir.
okay, fine. We are going to start a GD. First of all, you have to give a short introduction. Then we will start GD. Okay. Okay. Then you can start one by one.
Okay, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning
sir.
to all of you.
Myself, Saurabh
My name is
Shukla. I am from Prayagraj. I have done my graduation in science from Allahabad University. Currently, I am preparing for the MGA exams. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vivek Kumar. I am from Delhi. I am an engineering graduate from Delhi University and currently I am preparing for MBA. Thank you.
Hello
Good
everyone.
morning, everyone. My
Good
name is
morning,
Prajwal
sir.
Srivastava. I belong from Azamgarh, and I have done the graduation from the State University. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi Jain, and I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation from BTech Food Technology from SHUATS, Prayagraj. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Hello.
I am Jayaprakash.
Hello
I am from
everyone.
Patna, Bihar. I have done my graduation in English honors from Patliputra University. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shalini Mishra. I have completed my graduation in BCom honors from Mumbai University and I'm currently pursuing MCom and also preparing for MBA. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name
Hello
is
everyone,
Ratan
good
Jha.
morning. I'm
I
Suraj
belongs
Mishra.
to
I'm from
Shuklaganj,
Prayagraj.
Janna, Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation in Bachelor of Arts from PPN College, Kanpur University. Thank you.
Anyone is left?
Hello everyone. Myself Nupur Kumari. I am from Bihar. I have done my graduation in physics from Magadha University. Thank you.
Anyone is left? Sachin, you just unmute yourself. Your voice is not clear. Just unmute.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Good
it's
morning, everyone. My name is Sachin Verma. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I am an agriculture graduate. Thank you.
Anyone is left? Okay. Okay. See, your GD topic is cryptocurrency. Is it its future is bright or it just a fad? I am again repeating your GD topic. Cryptocurrency, its bright future or it is just a fad?
Sir,
Now you can start your GD.
thank
Good
you, sir,
morning
for giving me
everybody.
this opportunity.
As you know,
Sir, I strongly feel that cryptocurrency is a future, but with some regularities. Sir, as we know that the today's era is a digital era, everything is going to digital, so as the currencies also. Sir, I strongly feel there are many strong advantages of cryptocurrency, but there are also some disadvantages, and we can correct it by some regularities. Sir, I want to point out some advantage that the cryptocurrencies are a decentralized currency, which means any government or authority cannot
Good point, my friend.
cannot
What I
interfere in
think,
it.
I feel the same
Okay,
as you are
but
thinking, right? What I think it is, I'm in favor of the bright future, right? Because when we are moreover going to the globalization, right? The countries like developing countries like India, Nepal, who has not the more representation in the UN, and you can see in the IMF, in World Bank. So what happens to these countries? Their economy is growing slow down, and they are slowly progressing to the developed country, right? If we have a certain if we have the one mode of exchange, one currency to all the world, so it will change drastically to developing country to be a developed country, and they have the equal representation at every point of stage at the world level as well, right?
I have a slightly
okay,
different view on this topic.
as you
As
said
as
that this
it
is
has
a
an unstable value.
decentralized
First thing, it
currency,
has an unstable
then
value. Cryptos are mostly unstable. And the second point, because I think it's a fade, it's just a fade because it's a unstable value.
Sorry,
First thing,
sorry
second
to
thing,
interrupt you,
transactions are slow and
Jayaprakash, sir. I
expensive,
have a
and
different
the third thing
opinion.
is
I have a
it is
different
harmful for
opinion
environment
on
as
it.
well.
We cannot
As
say
my
it's a fate, sir.
planning
Due to its
to build the
decentralized
most
nature,
energy.
non-government can interfere on it. And currently, we are seeing that Turkish lira and Venezuelan currency is free falling just because the government is too much interfering on it. So if
But can
currency is
you-
decentralized, I think it's a
Sorry, Saurabh, but
Yes,
let's
it is
let Suraj
decentralized.
complete his
But
I think it had different security threats, and it can be used for illegal activities as well, like drug peddling, money laundering. There are so many
No,
illegal
no, 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 no.
things which require money, and
sorry to
sorry, Suraj, but
technology is pure that they can misuse it.
that in which we can record every single penny amount. So we can record
But there
every
are-
single penny amount. We can
no, no,
record it.
there is no
my friend,
regulatory
but
body. There is no
Sorry to
regulatory
interrupt.
body.
Actually, government have proposed
No trusted agencies
on
there
the
to control and regulate.
regulation of cryptocurrency.
Because it hides the information, because the cryptocurrency is just only means to hide the information. You cannot know who is send money or who receive money. The mainly cons is that you can't trace.
Agree to your point, my friend. But what about the future? You are going more over the technologies. You are more over going to the globalization, right?
Sorry to interrupt you.
But what about the situation when we lost our
security.
virtual coin?
Second thing, we can see that
disinflationary in
fees
nature
which are charged by
because
the
of its
credit card
limited
companies
supply,
and the bank
which will
to
be very
the
beneficial during the
bills
economic
or
crisis.
anything.
Understand the blockchain
More less
technology
than,
with the
right?
cryptocurrency.
And the second thing, and the third thing, which is the most appropriate thing, that if we have the single currency to all the world, so we don't need to change the currency exchanges, right? Look, if you take the example, you are going to abroad, any country, like you are moving from India, so you have to change your currency in the second one, right? You have to change the values as well. They differ from the values. If we have the one currency, so you can pay the money to the abroad anywhere, from the any point of
Sorry
view.
to interrupt,
Cryptocurrencies
but
are highly volatile in nature.
it's not the valid reason.
This is the only thing which you can
have a
say
single
that
currency for the whole
manipulated by few people, right?
market.
There is no
We will know,
proper
there will be no
regulation
way
there.
to exchange
There
our
should be a
currency
proper
with other
regulation.
currencies.
Please let
Good
We
example for
know
the future.
that
Everyone
there
to
will
speak
be
one by one.
more
I
people
request everyone to
fluctuating with
speak
respect
one
to
by
US
one.
dollar, but if there will be a single currency for the entire world, there will
Not
be
needed,
no
as
fluctuation.
there is no transaction fees.
Sorry to
Yes,
interrupt
that-
you all
Cryptocurrency are
that's
highly
correct.
Transaction
volatile in
fee is a
nature.
major benefit. There is very
Yes, I
minimal
agree to your
transaction
point,
fee.
my friend.
If you are
As he
going
has
to
said that
send money
it is
from
volatile in
Indian
nature,
banks
right?
abroad,
So
Let me
there
add one
Yes,
more
it's
point
very
here.
value depend
higher
on
These
its
are not
demand.
free.
and
Crypto
the
trading
time
is not
to
free, and its
centralized
transaction are not
regulatory
free.
is
It
also
requires a
authorities
very
lot
high.
of
which can
money and
regulate the currencies as well. Like
energy
we
as well.
can, it is the
I would like to
responsibility
add
of
two
IMF,
points.
World Bank. They should come into the figure and they have to regulate it in their own way. So it
Ratan, we are
has the
talking
equal.
Yeah,
about
what about the
we are talking
situation when we
about
lost our
how the
virtual
future is
coins?
gonna develop, okay? And let me introduce some facts also. Like
Yes, Shalini, you can.
crypto is like something like internet revolution happened and people didn't understand it. Okay, so the same thing is with the crypto
How
also.
can you
It
say
has the
that
basis
people are
of the
not
It's in very
understanding? They
early
have
stage.
it has the
invested
basis
Coming
of the
future,
blockchain.
people will
And
be
people
lakhs,
do not
something
understand
dollars in
the
the cryptocurrency
importance
till
of the
now.
blockchain as well. Okay,
Guys,
there is an
Say that
immense
if
the very
power
example
in
I will
itself.
that
actually
El Salvador
accepted
has
that
Bitcoin as a
there
legal
are
tender in its
the
country,
value
As I
and it is
price of
mentioned
going
the
to
earlier,
build a
Vinod,
Bitcoin
cryptocurrency is
city,
actually
I
totally
also
increasing
available
completely
every
based
day.
Just
on
Even
make
it
everyone
blockchain
point,
will
please.
technology.
legalize, when it will
many
legalize,
of
then it
Indians
will
Just give
add
thinks
values
that
just
to
give the
our
chance to
economy
everybody.
due to some
also.
job
Yes,
losses
yes.
to us,
Yeah,
but
but
they
Nupur,
ignore the
in
bright
March
side of the
2020, Supreme
Guys,
Court
internet.
please don't
removed
make the
the
fifth market.
removed the imposed
You are
ban
not
on
audible.
cryptocurrency.
You are
Let
not
everyone get
audible
his
Yes,
now.
chance.
yes, yes. Okay,
Money
I want to,
imposing ban on cryptocurrency is not the way forward, because in this revolutionary eras, even when the banking system and Mastercard and the plastic money came, then people have also at that time too much fear that their money will be monopolized. In the
I
same
totally
I
time
want
agree
to
with
add a
you,
point here.
Nupur.
cryptocurrency,
Totally
So
agree with
although
you,
there is
what
a
I was
Sorry,
saying
I
That's
want
the
to add a
major
point
highly
here.
benefit
proper
volatile in
regulation
nature.
of the
Like
native countries.
cryptocurrency
They
are
are
denied.
regulated
value
with the
depend on
central
its
Accept
bank.
demand.
They
the
are easily
technology is
we
manipulated.
have
revolutionary.
We don't
Accept
know, but
the steps
in
as well.
the backward
There are
scenario,
not
it
any
is absolutely
competitive for
manipulated.
cryptocurrency. It is fully
But no
secure.
one controls the cryptocurrency. It can't be
now
manipulated.
RBI has said that it will propose its own currency.
Own
Then
digital
when
currency.
I
RBI
will
Yeah, or
Right.
digital
Okay, that
currency.
is
So
also
in what
okay, because
how
if they
can
will
we say
publish their
that?
own currency,
Manipulated, but that
they
doesn't
won't
mean
have
they
the
have
right.
to be stopped.
Any cryptocurrency
Because
is
as
not
you
under
can see,
someone.
stock market can also be manipulated. As earlier
Yes.
mentioned, stock market could also be manipulated, but it couldn't be banned, okay? Because it is the only way by which small industry could raise money, and the
Yes,
same
of
way
course,
goes with the
I agree with
blockchain
you.
also,
slightly different from
cryptocurrency.
you.
It is
And
also
also
it is
stock
also
market
adopted by the
is
world's
also
best
applicable on the
economies and
cryptocurrency.
growing
It
economies
comes
like
with a
they have
proper
Nigeria,
regulation
Venezuela.
classifying
Countries have
cryptocurrency
adopting
as an
it
asset class.
intensely.
Look,
There is a more
my friends, what I
opportunity for
think,
the
it is
entrepreneurship.
only it
DIM
is only stripped by the few famous personalities. Like you can take the example of
Let me
Elon Musk.
finish my point, guys.
You can
Please
take the
don't
example of few
interrupt before
companies, right?
completing my point.
So there should be a representation of moreover richest people, moreover
Let her finish her
public
point,
figures.
please. Please,
If
guys,
they
let
will
her finish her
Guys,
point.
let me finish
yes,
my
yes.
point at least.
Okay, okay.
It is also adopted. It is also adopted by world's best economies, not best, but yet improvising economies. Like we have stable money. That's why we don't put our hands in the cryptocurrency. We don't look at cryptocurrency as because it is volatile. But there are some countries whose money is also more volatile than crypto, and they are using crypto as their currency.
Yes,
Just take an example of
we see it.
Venezuela.
Our Indian rupees keep fluctuating with
Also
respect to
adopted
crypto.
crypto as their day-to-day
We are
transaction.
seeing
So there is an
we are
immense
seeing
power
the
in
cases
this
of
zone
online
to
hacking,
become a bright
So
future.
this is
but
Yes.
we are seeing the
And if
cases
we
of
regulate a single
companies
currency like
partnering with the
cryptocurrency, number of frauds will be less.
Like
Number
we
of
have
frauds
seen,
of the
like
online transaction which are going
Adidas
through the
currently
India
partnership
and
with
all over the
Coinbase,
world,
which
will
is
be
a
less.
company which provides
but
information
we
about
are
the
seeing
cryptocurrencies.
but
And we will see
but we
many
are
more
seeing
companies
the
coming forward for this.
but
Sorry to
we are
interrupt you. As
seeing
I
the
mentioned
cases of
earlier, there is
Power
online
no
of Wazir
current
in 2
research
years.
about
such
where
It
the
is
as
money
a
is going.
startup which
So
has been
whether
built
it
in
is being
India.
supplied to drug suppliers or
Yes, yes.
whether it is being supplied to such agencies which are creating threats for our nation's security.
Yes,
that
Jay.
I
This
want
is
to
what
say
we have
that
to
because
regulate,
you
you
are
know,
dealing about the
because
drug
these are
peddlers,
the
There
things
is
which
peddlers will
nothing
get
clear
many
about
companies
that
like
delays.
IMF,
there are
World
many
Bank,
cases of
RBI,
online
they
hacking.
are there
should we
to
did on
improve
the
these kind of
private
things like
sectors because we
And
did
how
not
to
maybe people
regulate the
know.
don't know,
cryptocurrency
but
in
it's
future.
not
Yes,
very new to
You
India.
know,
I will
how
like to cite an example.
support the
The
capital
Maharashtra
different
government
countries
used
are
the
being
Matic
using it.
Polygon blockchain technology for issuing test certificates of
Yes.
COVID-19 because the
Yes,
Polygon chain
Faisal.
is very
Yes, Faisal. I
reliable in
totally agree with
stability
you.
and data security.
Cryptocurrency is in the
So the
initial stage.
technology behind the
It is
cryptocurrency
in
is
the
called a
initial
blockchain,
stage of
right? It is the
But it
transaction
has
It is
many
in its initial
loopholes,
stage
right?
that
there is no
In fact,
technology
people
which
be
is
think
feared.
specifically
Offer
used
us
for
a
the
cryptocurrency
data
bright
is not
protection
future.
working on the
nowadays,
blockchain technology.
right?
It
There
doesn't
are
I
many
offer
totally
us
agree
a
with
bright
Faisal.
cryptocurrencies like
future
Ethereum and
Given a
Bitcoin
very
because
good
based
there
point
are
on
of
the
the
many
blockchain
cases of
blockchain
technology,
also.
online
but
Sorry for
there are
interrupting you
many
guys.
private
hacking.
cryptocurrencies and
Please
currently we did
understand, this
not
is
know
online
about on which
GD. You are not
technology they are
audible. If
doing
you
it. So we cannot
all,
say that the every cryptocurrency is
Guys,
working
let
on
please one
one
by one.
individual
the
speak. Let
cryptocurrency.
one
Yes,
individual
Sam.
speak.
That's what
Note
I'm
down your
saying.
points.
Yes, I
Note
would
down
like
your
to.
points,
Yes,
and when
We are
you
not
get the
physically
chance,
present here,
then
so
there
try
are
to understand.
Then you should
Everyone has
speak.
not a
Vivek,
single
what you want
currency
to
to
people,
say?
purchase.
five
Ratan,
people talking.
Ratan and Vivek, other
Let me
people,
convey
just
my
please not
thoughts on
interrupt other people.
cryptocurrencies.
Yeah,
I'm
just
not.
please present your point.
So basically, I want to start this
Okay,
topic.
so
I'm in the favor of this topic.
Just give a chance to Jad.
Yes,
Jad,
Jad. Yes, continue.
Yeah. Yeah,
Jad, go.
actually, we know that cryptocurrency is the bright future. We know because from bartering to cash and coins to digitalization, and now this is the globalization has started. So according to me, the crypto has creating a huge craziness in the world. It has helping and it has it has reached to a platform where we can do a lot of which helping in the banking industry, which helping in every kind of transactions. And and it is good that it is not regulated by any third party. It is regulated by own committee users, and even
Yes,
the
no one's
over
control this.
Sorry,
but
sorry to
there
interrupt you
is no
there, but
I
regulatory
would
we
like to
cannot
add some
say
no
point here.
that
regulatory
the one
body.
So
authority is
that's the
regulating.
leading
Point.
point
That's
here.
the
No,
leading
there
There
point.
is
is
no
some
Government
regulations,
regulatory
supposed
but
to
body
bring
on the
proper
every
to
type of
regulations, and it
cryptocurrencies.
will be
we
very soon
cannot
in our country
read it
too.
on the granted.
Then what about the situation when we lost our virtual coins because there is no
Sorry,
regulatory body in
sorry,
here?
Yes,
Aditi,
this is one
but
of the major
sorry to
concern,
interrupt.
Aditi. Because
There is-
we know that
Yeah, let me finish.
the damage of
Let me
that.
The one more
finish.
security
Let me
threat here is
finish.
the environmental
Let
issue.
me finish.
The
There
mining
is no
requires a lot of
security.
energy.
Okay,
There is no
let's say
security.
I would also like to add some point here. I would also like to
Security in
complete,
this
please.
currency.
Absolutely,
and
classify
have
it as an
invested
asset class.
20,000 crore
Actually,
rupees. And
actually,
their
Aditya,
average
you are
age is
saying that
just
when there is
24
not
years.
a security in this money, without
Yes,
security, this cryptocurrency is actually increasing day by day. And I think the world financial body will soon, later or not, will come with a draft or regulation method, because
Yes,
the
they will bring a
case,
proper regulation very soon.
But
proper
these
regulation,
cryptocurrencies,
then it will be
I want
okay.
to add a point here.
Crypto transactions are
on regular basis,
irreversible in
more coins
nature,
and more coins
right?
being considered day by day, but there is unstable value.
Funds sent to
People
wrong addresses
people fund their
cannot be
money
traced
these
back,
cryptos, and most
right?
of
So
them
there is no
are so
security
unstable
in
that
it.
they
You can't trace back
So,
when
I would like
funds
to
go to
mention
wrong
that
addresses.
cryptocurrencies work on
we have to
blockchain
see
technology, and
that
blockchain
the
technology is the
this
highest secure
technology has some
technology.
its pros
Highest
and
secure
cons.
transactions
The
take
crypto
place
is
there.
It's fair
And
enough. It is
even
the
if we
highest
lost our
security
cryptocurrencies
technology
are
by which we
stored on
can do the data
devices.
protection. The first
Aditi,
we
don't
can
stop
take
again and
advantage
again and
of
start
the
your points. Say your points in
India
one
as well.
go. Okay?
Like CBSE and Mumbai authorities have decided to distribute the certificates through the blockchain policies, so they can secure the data as well. So the
Yes, through the
technology
Matic Polygon
behind the
blockchain.
yes. So
I would like to add some point here. I would like to add some
Only
point
those
here.
I would like to cite
addresses.
one more example of the T-Board of India. The T-Board of India has decided to use this blockchain technology to promote the transparency and improve the traceability of products and its trade operations because of the
I want to add a
adulteration
point
taking
here.
place.
I would also like
Exactly.
When we
Moreover,
But
we
you
should
can't trace
that
talk about
person.
the
please
cryptocurrency.
let me
I
finish.
think
Please let
Aditi,
me.
we
it
know
is
that
a
the
wrong
blockchain
point that
technology is
When
a
we
super
talk about
technology. It is the
crypto
highest
and
secure
blockchain technology,
technology.
they are slightly
But we
different
have
things.
to
First of
Blockchain
all,
is a
discuss
many people
about
are
the
saying
technology
that the
which
crypto is
mostly cryptos use
crypto is
to
based
transfer
on blockchain, but we should know that the only
the
very few
characteristic. It has
cryptos are
major
based on the blockchain. Not
features
all
like it's
cryptos are
secure,
blockchain.
but
There
when
are
we talk
many
about
private.
these
There
cryptos,
are many
they
private
are
cryptos
unstable.
which
It is
are
not can be said like that we can't trace that person or not. There are so
sorry
many.
to say this, guys, but
The
Vivek,
transactions are very
Ratan,
public. You
and
can trace the
other people,
transaction.
please let other people speak, guys. You do not have to
Charlie,
negotiate
you have
on each
equal
and
rights to
every
speak.
point.
You should at least initiate, right? We will give you a
Brother,
chance.
but
At
we
least
should
you should
there are
speak.
4 to 5
Rather
people
than
beginning, but
the name, you
continue.
should
you guys
speak,
are not
right?
Can we
stopping,
hear
so we
others?
cannot have
Yes,
the point.
I
Okay?
agree with
This is
Charlie.
what will be happening in India as
Let
well.
I
others
agree with
speak.
Charlie.
You can't.
You
Charlie,
do
please.
not have to put your points on each and
Listen,
every
everyone, you have to
individual's
create a
point.
chance.
Guys,
It's
put
No
not
one
a
is giving you a chance.
Down your
Let
points
one
and
person
answer
finish
it.
it.
Yeah.
You have to create your own chance
Don't
to
forget,
speak. You know, no one
it's
is
not a
going to
debate.
give you a
You are
chance
in
to
a
speak.
I'm
group
the only guy
discussion.
who had
Speak
given the
politely
chance to
and
judge.
give other. You don't have to give other
Yeah.
chance. You can
Guys,
just at least.
Guys, please don't argue.
Don't mess up.
It's
Don't mess up.
not
Just
arguing, guys.
your point.
It's a simple
Okay, we
trying
are
to have
learning. We are
conversation.
we
You
are
can speak.
learning
We are
how
listening to
to
you.
do
Now come
well
to the
in
point.
GD.
Come to the point. I would like to
I
add
just
some
want to
point.
add single point. Just a single point here.
We have invested 70,000 crore rupees in market. So due to lack of regulatory authorities, a lack of information, many fraudulent apps are spreading misinformation, and many people are investing money due to lack of information. So they are also not
Losing their money.
they are losing their money. So due to lack of information, there is no such regulatory authority available.
Sorry to
Yes,
say
that's
Vijay
right.
Prakash,
But
but
for
one
that,
should educate
there
their
is a
industry. It's
regulation.
their
Related
responsibility
burden.
to
And
educate
Okay, when the
themselves before investing
digital banking
anything.
come
Okay,
into existence,
because
nobody was familiar with the phone
is
pay, with
always
the UPI
mentioned in the
transactions.
cryptocurrency that you should always read about it and then invest in it. If people do not
Yes, of
educate
course.
themselves
Yes,
and
that's
search
your
it
own
on a
opinion if you
reliable
want to invest or
site,
not.
Of course, Sally, and the
So
authorities
what
like
about the
RBI,
situation
World
when we
Bank,
lost our
IMF,
data?
they have to take
Can
the
you please
responsibility to
give me
spread the
some
awareness
points?
There
among
are
the people, right?
there are
If they are
notices, no
Okay,
if they are
regulators,
doing
and
their
people
job to
can't
promote
even read
promote
about it.
anything, so many of the people think about it, and then they will invest in that, right?
Sir, our topic is cryptocurrency offers a bright future or is just a fad. Okay. So it's highly volatile in nature. that means that it has no value in it. It value depend on its demand. So how can this be this our future if its value depend on the demand? Like if I invested in some coin and the other day people don't want that coin, then the value will
Sorry,
drop, right? So how
sorry
does
to
it offer a
interrupt you.
bright future in it?
Sorry
That's
to
also the
interrupt you,
same with the
Aditi,
stock
Yeah,
market.
but
What about the
you
company you
know
have
that
not
invested in
about
and
not
once
just
its
value
demand
about
get
is
stock
decreased?
depend on
market,
its
not
demand.
just
It's
about
not
stock
only the
market.
So what
cryptos.
It
I
can
There
think
are
is
happen with
that
various
money
government
as
different
must
well.
come with the proper regulation
People do
regular
not
and
adoption
accept
cost.
money
There is
on the
keep
other
no
it
day.
as a
information
asset
about
clause,
it.
asset
So
class instead of a
Yeah, but
legal
unlike
tender.
Guys,
crypto transactions are
cryptocurrency has
completely
The
future
idea
unlinked.
of
because
crypto was
Elon
to get
Musk
away
has
from all
even
these restrictions
approved
of
that
governments of
the
different
people
countries.
can buy
So when we
electric
do
vehicles
explain
by
all
using
laws
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it.
regulations,
It
This
is
is
the
then
only
the
people
different
legislation is
government.
not
Elon Musk
is
wants he is an
Did not
individual.
make the rule that suppose the
who
by
can
using
see what our
cryptocurrencies have no
future
future. I can
will
Your
easily
take
information
place,
spend
and he's also
cryptocurrencies
support.
on no
Then
future
Different
if the
state
countries
that
are
government
this
did
practicing
not support
different
cryptocurrency has
things.
this
a
currency.
bright future.
But
No,
there
So
are
listen,
many
Government is
what
cases
not
I
of
want to
supporting
online
say
because
is
hacking.
people
and
are not
cryptocurrencies
putting money
have
in their
no
bank and
future
the
if the
stock market in
government
the
let
government
me call
companies.
your point
Instead, they are
again.
investing in the
government have
cryptocurrencies
But
because
regulated
there
they are
are
everything.
many
multiplying their
cases of
That
monies
online
in weeks
hacking
and
we
a
are
month.
seeing.
Have no
You
future
can
if the
track
if
the
we
record
want
of
to be a
Bitcoin.
developed
Just
country, the
sorry to
different
interrupt you.
countries like
You have
India,
2 more
Sri
minutes.
Lanka,
We
Nepal,
have
and
to
you
look at
have to
that.
think
Sorry
about
to
the other
interrupt you. You
countries
have
as
2
well.
more minutes. After
Those
that, we will conclude a GD. Okay? We will
their
have.
economies are
Sorry to
Sir,
say this,
I
Aditi,
strongly
but
feel that the
they have
as
very
you
regulation
weak
is
said,
not
economy,
to
right?
do in the
cryptocurrency is
cryptocurrency because
volatile,
the
and
There
private
is
because
a
of
big
there
that,
are many
we should
private
not invest in
cryptocurrencies which
because
are
So
doing
the another day
fraud,
someone
but there
just
are
may
many
not
public
accept crypto
cryptocurrencies
or a
in by
Bitcoin.
We
in
should.
investing
We
people's
can't
money.
I
rely
want
And
to
on it.
many
say
We
many
can't
in the
rely on it.
future
We
we
cryptocurrencies
will
can't
have
say
to
volatile,
look
that
for
it
a
then
single
offers
not
us a
I
currency.
bright
agree
it
future.
is
with
it's
you.
a
Rely
it's
on
It
any
indicator.
can be
Many
classified as an
in
asset
that
It is
way,
class,
if
not
a
a
like
government
gold,
it
like
other day
silver.
sends
We
You
out
can
cryptocurrency.
invest.
we
I
are
want to
not
add a point here.
accepting
Cryptocurrency
money,
have a
Every
then
very
the
investment is
Wait,
like
monetization
wait.
volatile,
happens.
but this one is
regularization
safe.
must
We
be
No one
needed.
trusts it.
so
Please,
Cryptocurrency
everything is
also
volatile.
also
Nothing
has
is
Investments are
let me
safe.
say
dependent,
one
na?
more
There are
thing.
no
security.
trust
that
building,
only
no agencies
This is a
trust it
big,
like World Bank
big
or
threat and
any
challenge for
trust
the
agency don't trust
security
it, any government don't approve it. It's
involved in
volatile,
the
but
terrorism. We
it's
don't
Because
see
unsafe
any
in
as
the
well.
government
Many
regulation in
cases
a
of
the
crypto.
online
security of the
hacking.
Volatile
transaction
when
are
there
no
is
need
not a
to in
demerit
because
in the
to
terms
before
of
invest
currency
every
Depends on the
exchange.
and
point.
then
India
invest.
is
India has
on
a
the
one
second rank.
currency, single currency.
If we want to
As
really
cryptocurrency
come
is
at the
working,
rank
If
of
you
the
want
need to
define
exchange
our
into the
developed
for
currency of
the
the other
country, then
bright
countries.
we should
bright
have to
future,
accept
you
this
have
cryptocurrency by whether
you
it is
haven't
by regulating
a
or
security, then how can you
whether
say that
it is fully secured,
future
bro.
have bright?
It is fully secured. Friend, I would
Yes.
like to say that it is fully secured because we have appropriate and every secured login and password. Through that, we can just go and track our transaction reports.
Sorry to
Many
interrupt you
hackers,
there,
You
but
No,
can
if
no,
you
track
no.
don't
many
know
Crypto,
hackers
your
use
Including
login
your
and
point of
password, then how
security,
your money is
cryptocurrency
going to
transactions
disappear once
are
one
the
after
limit
demerit?
currency
irreversible
which
in
is
nature.
applied by the
Remember that
cryptocurrency is very
it
less
is
in
a
compared to the
justification
credit
Its
are
card
against that. It
transactions
is
are
actually,
not
guys, we
irreversible in
don't
nature.
Second
actually,
thing,
to
guys, we
If
make
we
don't
the
lost
best
our
out
Aditi,
of
data, we
cryptocurrency
cannot
Sorry
which
to
use
interrupt.
our
do when we
keep
move
can
abroad,
maintaining this
also
current
it will
make
not
currency, then
happen.
how
bright
will
future.
And
But
how will
again,
the
I
we
third
be
thing
emphasize
able
what
that
I
it
can
is
to
say
not
that
to be
we
limited.
cannot
it will
trace back
benefit to
the
the
data,
economic
right?
weaker
Like
countries like developing countries as well.
Security in it.
So two
So
points we
guys,
can
the
say
point
that
is
it
that
will have the
we
bright
don't
future
need
in
any
government
crypto.
need
security.
to
There is no
regulate
much
it.
In
government
total,
confidence.
it supports environment also.
Sorry to
Someone need
interrupt,
to
guys.
So that
regulate
is what
it
I was
because there are
saying.
the
There are
Gents
many
three
are
points which we can
and
include. Like the first thing is the
Cryptocurrency
security
authority.
measures. It is a very secure process
Sorry to
because
interrupt you
we
all.
know that the
Yes, sir.
blockchain
Excuse me,
policy,
sorry to
it is a
interrupt
very
you all.
secure
Your time is
process.
over now. Just give a short conclusion one by one.
Okay, I will start.
Okay,
Sir,
sir, I would like
sir,
I think the
One by one.
blockchain
One
technology
by
is
one.
most-
Please, guys, one by one.
at least.
It is a
So this
conclusion,
One
guys.
by
Please,
I'm starting
please wait
here.
for
One by one, please.
Please let me speak.
Guys, it
Although I
is
submit is used by mostly cryptos, blockchain technology is the future. But when you come to cryptos, it's our most unsafe. It's slightly expensive and for harmful for environment as well. And it uses a lot of energy for mining purpose. And
Sir, sorry to
there are
interrupt you
security
there,
threats
but
as well, like money
So
laundering. and
listen.
Now you can conclude.
would like to start,
Sir,
sir. I would like to start concluding. Sir, as I belong to that side with support cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology, as I have seen immense potential in it, a lot of countries have been adopting it, like China, Venezuela, and there are people who do not have as stable currency as ours. So crypto is solution for virtual currency is solution for them, and we should also adopt to a changes because it has immense potential that we may not know, but like when the internet revolution came, the people like Jack Ma and other people understand it and then evolve in it and make some business out of it. So it is
I
with same
feels
with
the
this
same.
people a lot with this.
Is
Okay,
I feel the
that's
same that the
I think you concluded
cryptocurrency
your
must
point.
be a future, but there is must be a regulation because there are two types of cryptos. One are publics and one are privates, and the privates have a no grant. So the government or any authority should regulate the private cryptos, but not on those cryptos which are on publics. And crypto has a very high potential.
Yes, I agree
Okay,
I
with
then
support the
that.
blockchain
But
technology, but since
I
I
want
want
to
to
go
address
I
the
support
next
the
topic
blockchain
that
by
technology, but when it comes to
concluding it.
cryptocurrency
cryptocurrency has
cryptos,
achieved a
So,
lot of stability,
according to
and we should make it transferable and a store of value that will make it more used by governments, banks, individuals, and it is going to help a lot in our future.
okay, I would
okay,
like to
but
conclude it by
uh,
saying that it
according
is the
to
best alternative for investment. It will increase the entrepreneurship.
Cryptocurrency, and we can say that the people are not so much aware about the cryptocurrency, but in the future the people will know about it and use it, and in today present scenario we are also using, but the value of that is very much low. But I think in future the cryptocurrency future is very very bright. Thank you.
Yes,
according
it's
to
the future
me,
currency, but it needs some regulation.
cryptocurrency. Yes, according to me, cryptocurrency has many loopholes. Like it is very volatile. It it does not have any security in it because transactions in crypto are highly irreversible in nature. And we have also seen the cases of online hacking, very famous ones like empty gox in Japan. So according to me, it can't promise us a bright future. Thank you.
Yes, agreed to your point, Aditi. What I want to say is in this era of globalization, we need a one world, one currency because it is a single need which is required to all the developing countries concerning to the India, right? If we have that currency, one world, one currency, so we don't go for the certain kind of currency values irregulation which are going through the countries, like many of the developed countries are dominating to the developing countries. So it is a approach that can be raised to the in UN as well. So we should go for the one world, one currency, and cryptocurrency will be a part of that, and we should regulate that. There are certain loopholes like the damage of the currencies, the no regulation body, and the safety of the currencies as well. That is a major concern, and we can see that the acceptance among the people is growing day by day. Like when we are getting the awareness of the cryptocurrencies, so we are more likely to invest in that. Like we can see the recent news from the India as well. They have accepted cryptocurrency to have as assets. They rather don't allow us to invest in or to use it as a currency. Like there are people they are using like companies like Tesla, Elon Musk, they are using it like a currency, but Indian government has allowed us to have it as a assets. In future, if we see there are the regulations, more regulations are there, then we allowed. And they also deny the private currency, private cryptocurrency. They are moreover interested in their own currencies. Like RBI has stated that they are interested in their own digital currency. They will gonna produce it in future. So this is the future, and we will have to accept it. And there should be a regulation, I must say. Thank you so much.
So next time I will
Ratan, I
conclude it.
completely agree with you, but my in my opinion, actually, cryptocurrency has a bright future. Worldwide, there is lots of hesitation, and also it's due to its volatile nature, lots of So there is lots of tension among the people, but this sorts, if we really want to connect it with the world and have add values in our economy, then we should have to accept the cryptocurrency, because it is a revolutionary phase where each and every people has to come forward and accept that, just like a technology and the internet. Even the putting ban just like a China on the cryptocurrency, this is not the solution. We should have to regulate it and also legalize it, so that our economy and the people's choices, the choices of the people should be put forward, so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you.
Okay, thanks everyone for
Okay,
joining
guys.
us.